All right, guys, so the product I'm going to use today is Super Clean. They contacted me and said, hey, I would like to check out our degreaser, give it a shot. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up the box, check out the Super Clean degreaser. We're going to try to use it on a 08 Arctic Cat Prowler 650 motor I'm doing. Clean up all the parts with that. Let's see how it does on that. Let's open up this box and see what we got inside here real quick. So they contacted me. I watched a few of their videos. I said, sure, why not? I can always try out something like a new degreaser or something like that. So let's see what we got. They asked me for a shirt size. Let's see if they sent one along. Oh, they sent a shirt and a hat. Here is the shirt. It's a gray one. It says right here on the back, Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. Pretty nice color, nice and gray. And they sent me along a trucker hat that says Super Clean with the American flag on the back. Pretty cool there. They asked me for my size and what hat I wanted to send along, so we got those. Let's pull out, we got a bottle of it here. This is oh cool, Super Clean all wheel cleaner. Foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, super fast. What we got here, Super Clean dissolves grease. Super easy, super fast. And what else we have here? We got a spray bottle. And Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser dissolves grease. Super easy, super fast. Ah, there we go. For grills, engines, brakes, all that. And then we got a little pamphlet right here. Basically, we've expanded our line to help you tackle grease and grime. So give Super Clean a check out, guys. I'll give you my opinion here shortly. Super Clean works best with cold water, and it's important to never let Super Clean dry on a surface. Let's see what we got. Let's read what it says here. It says basically, thank you for using Super Clean on your YouTube channel. We recommend starting with the lowest concentration as outlined on the dilution chart. Please see attached chart, which would be this guy right here. Always test Super Clean in an inconspicuous area and start with an item as cool as possible. We just read that about using it with cold water. Always be cautious when using Super Clean on motorcycles, aluminum, untreated glass, and painted and powdered coated surfaces. Super Clean is an aggressive cleaner and may damage these materials if not used properly. Also, if you are cleaning a large area, you may want to work a small section at a time. Original Super Clean aerosol can and wheel cleaner. Let's see what that's got to say. Original Super Clean, the original product that was created 44 years ago at full strength. Super Clean is the most powerful, tough task cleaner degreaser you can find. And when you use, I got my glasses on, hard to read it up close with my glasses on. And when you dilute it with water for everyday messes, Super Clean is the most cost-effective cleaner you can find. The aerosol can, same cleaning degreasing formula as original Super Clean. Precision spray nozzle, sticks to vertical surfaces. All wheel cleaner. Super Clean all wheel cleaner is formulated to instantly attack road grime, traffic film, and brake dust, as well as rocks, salt, and other debris from the roads that can cause corrosion and pitting on your wheels. All wheel cleaner can be used to remove calcium, lime, and rust. It's a great cleaner for hard water spots in the bathroom. Check out our website at superclean.com for applications, tips, and helpful videos. And if you have any questions, we can hit them up there. Let's check out their dilution scale here real quick. Just kind of tells you the different products they offer, the size of stuff, and all that. Original Super Clean foaming trigger, all-wheel cleaner, aerosol can, and floor absorbent. Super Clean Tough Task. This is just everything that came in here. So what we're gonna do, put my glasses back on here, get in front of the camera. What we're gonna do real quick is we're gonna walk over here to my parts washer, and heck, we'll try a little bit of everything over here on this engine case for this build that's going on YouTube here. So let's see what kind of tough stuff it says it can do. Get you guys over here with a decent view. Let's drop you down some. All right. I like the higher view better because you get a little bit better angle, it looks like. Let's bring you back up. That angle seems a little better. So let's go ahead and Super Clean. Let's see what it says here. Avoid damaged surface areas, engine degreaser. Let's spray this stuff on there. And we'll spray a little bit of this. I'm just gonna shake some stuff up and we'll just spray it around certain areas. Stream off spray. And this one here is just the regular grease dissolver. Dissolves grease. And the other one in the aerosol can says it's for engines and stuff. So let's go ahead and spray it on here. Oh, nice. It's foaming up. I like that. Spray the inside of this motor too, because this whole thing needs to be clean because that crank locked up on it. We're going to try, this is the one I think we're going to stick with right now, just to see what it does. Now I did not knock off any grime or anything. Cover surface super clean in appropriate strength, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. Do not allow surface to dry. Rinse thoroughly and dry as needed. Depending on how you are using super clean, wear gloves or eye protection. For more safety tips, go to superclean.com. So we'll let that sit here for a minute. We definitely will not let it dry. I can see it's got some pretty good stuff. It's running down some areas there. So we'll let that sit. I'll grab some gloves. We'll come back over here and we'll hit it with our little brush and see how it cleans. All right, I can definitely smell it. It's pretty potent stuff, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Let's just see. And it's only been sitting on here for a short amount of time. Let's just see how well a short amount of time does with this stuff. I mean, honestly, it's doing pretty darn good. Actually, I'm pretty impressed with how well it's cleaning the surface of this already. And it's only been sitting on there probably maybe 60 seconds. Maybe. Let's try this heavy soil area. Now I know brushing it off and getting wet and brushing some of the stuff off will definitely make a difference as it works. I'm going to hit it with some of the spray. Now you can see the bottom. I didn't spray the bottom with this, so I'm going to hit this with some of this foam stuff here and let it soak as I'm working on these other parts. Add a little more there. It's actually working really, really well. I'm actually pretty impressed with how well that's working. Try to get you guys a little bit better view here. Now you guys saw me spray that on there not long ago, and it's pretty much already ate through that grime on the bottom of this engine case. That's pretty impressive how fast that went through that. So I'm gonna flip on the parts washer here. Now this just has regular degreaser in it. I'm just using it as a rinsing agent right now just to see what it does as far as the super clean goes. Man, that actually did that was a really stellar job how quickly it cut through all this grime up here. Like I said, make sure you're in a well-ventilated spot. But that's pretty, if you ask me, that's pretty dang impressive. I mean, I've used a lot of different cleaners and degreasers, and this is probably by far one of the better ones that I've used. Let's check this top side, rinse it off a little bit. Yeah, look how clean that came out. I mean, I know it's a little pitted and stuff like that from regular corrosion, but man, all I did was I'm just rinsing it off and wiping things down a little bit. And like I said, this is really old degreaser that's in my brush. I don't have water in the shop right now, but man, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with how well that ate through that thick coat of mud, grease and grime so quick. Holy smokes, that's awesome. So I'm going to clean a few other parts with this stuff and we'll see what that looks like. All right, guys, so here's just a quick view of just a quick wash down, man. This thing turned out super nice, super quick, super easy, no problem at all. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish washing up the rest of these parts from this build, and then I'll show you guys at the end what it looks like using Super Clean only and just rinsing it off a little bit with my parts washer. Again, that's just regular degreaser. I'm just using it to rinse, and we'll see what it's like, and I'll rinse it off with the hose, bring it in, blow it off. And man, so far, Super Clean, I'm impressed with what you got. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of this stuff. We'll take a look at it when I'm done cleaning it with Super Clean. All right, here's another before shot of the other crankcase. We're just gonna spray it with this. We'll let it set. Of course, you do have to scrub a little bit. Nothing's just gonna come off if you don't scrub. So I'm just gonna spray this crankcase again like I did the other one. Inside, outside. Bottom, oh, the bottom is atrocious. Wow. You can just kind of see it dissolve it as we're setting here. You can see that if this is just a regular kid's toothbrush. Just touching that stuff is thick and nasty. You can just see the difference right off the bat. Look at that. That's impressive. So I'm gonna clean this up like I was saying. Just kind of I'm gonna run a toothbrush around on it a little bit, just clean up all the mud, all the other stuff, and then I'll show you guys all the finished products from Super Clean. Well guys, here's case half number 2, all cleaned up. Man, Super Clean is actually working fantastic, you guys, because I didn't scrub like crazy. I kind of just let it soak and wipe it down a little bit, and to see the results with that, I've got bearing grease. I got Moly Lube on all my bearings in there. Now I do over here in my parts washer have the head. I sprayed it down with the foam cleaner, and this thing was just atrocious. It was nasty, and it pretty much, a lot of it just ran right off. It is impressive. Most of the head looked like that, and it ran right off. It's been sitting for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna spray it one more time, let it set, and see how it does with that. Wipe it down and show you guys the finished head on that. Again, guys, man, this is Super Clean. It's actually a really nice product. I'm actually really impressed with this right here. Good job, Super Clean, on that. Guys, I'm gonna try to get an affiliate link for that. And I'll drop it down in the comments below, or I should say down in the description below. Again, I have shirts and hats available for you if you want them. If you got any questions about motorcycles, ATVs, or UTVs, hit me up here on YouTube, or you can find me on Facebook at Limitless Power Sports Service Repair, or you can email me at limitlesspowersports78@gmail. So I'm going to finish cleaning this head, show you guys that, go over a couple more things with Super Clean, and we'll close out the video. Again, guys, here's a finished product over here. Barely any scrubbing on this stuff at all. Big shout out to Super Clean for being the sponsor of the video here. Again, there's your regular spray for dissolving grease, super easy, super fast. You got your spray for tough cleaning stuff. Man, I sprayed on a lot of these things and just let it set, and it pretty much just wiped off. And we got the wheel cleaner, which I did not use yet. I have sprayed it on some of the aluminum parts, and it worked just as good. So look for that in a future video again. Again, a big shout out to Super Clean for being a sponsor of this video, guys. I really appreciate it.